So in today's class I'm going to explain various menus on the menu bar. So when we start the Visual Basic application, it displays IDE. The first initial screen is called as IDE. IDE stands Integrated Development Environment. Okay, so and this is the menu bar. This is the menu bar. This is the title bar, and the title below the title bar is called as this menu bar. Okay, so in the menu bar various types of menus are available, different types of menus are available on the menu bar, and this file menu, edit menu, view, project, format and so on menus are available. So when you click on this file menu, it displays a list of options available on the menu bar. So new project, open project, add project, remove project, save project, like that, so many options available. So when you click on this view menu, it displays code, object browser, project explorer, project window. These are all the components of IDE. Project explorer is one of the components, properties window is one of the components, property form layout window is one of the components. So you can switch on and off. You can on and off these windows by clicking on this view menu. Just simply click on it, the project explorer window is displayed. Okay, like that. There is one more menu, that is project menu. By using this project menu we can add a form. We can add one more form to our project, and this is the run menu. Okay, so the run menu contains the options to execute the application, to run the application, that is start button. This arrow mark, this is start button. When you click on the start button or shortcut key F5, the application is executed. The application is executed. Here, how to run the VB application? To run the application, choose start from run menu. So here this is the run menu, and click on the start button or press F5 button on the keyboard. The application will be executed. If there is any error in the application, it displays after successful execution. If any errors in the application, when we develop the code, if it is having any errors, it shows the error. It is called as debugging. Debugging means error free code. Debugging means error free code. So before executing the application, we need to save the application. Right? So how to save a VB application? Select the file option from the menu bar or file menu from the menu bar. Click on the items save project as, specify a name to your application and click on the button save. So with the help of this file save project option, we save the application in Visual Basic. Okay, now I will show you all these options by opening this Visual Basic. Okay, so here now I am opening the Visual Basic, that is Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0, which is directly available on the start button. Okay, and when we click on the start button, here it is showing the Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. Simply you can directly click on it, the VB application will be open. Right, so this is the project application window. I have already discussed in the last class. This is standard exe by default selected, and click on this open button. Okay, so this is the IDE. This called the initial screen is called as IDE, and these are all called as the components of IDE. And this is the menu bar of IDE. So when you click on this file, it displays the options available in the file menu. When you click on this edit, it displays simply edit menu contains cut, copy, paste, like normal applications. Okay, the file menu, it shows a new project, open project, add project, remove project, save project. Okay, and the view menu, it shows code window, object browser, project explorer. Now see this, the project explorer window is not displayed here. Okay, so now go to view and click on this project, it will show. Right, so like that you can switch on and off properties window, form layout window. Right, so then next we see this important one is run. Okay, so the run menu contains start option. The start option or the start menu is used to execute. You have developed one application in Visual Basic, you want to execute that application. So how to execute the application? Simply click on this run and click on the start Okay, so the application is executed, or else simply you can click on you can press F5 button on the keyboard. The application is executed. The application is executed. If there is any errors in the developed application, so it shows the errors and we have to clear that errors, then only the application is executed. It means this is called as debugging means error free code. Okay, right. And the one more important one is in every application simply we need to save the application. Okay, so click on this file and go to save project and click on this save project. Simply give here file name. Okay, simply give here file name and click on save and give project name. Click on save. Now the project or the application is saved. This is the procedure to save the application. And here run menu to run or execute the application by clicking on start button, and here in the file menu to save the application or to open the new project. To save the project already we done, or to open a new project. Okay, so this is the menu bar which is available on the IDE: file menu, edit menu, view, project, and so on. Simply generally we use file menu, project menu, run menu for different operations. Okay, thank you.